Hi and welcome to Stella's Baking Adventures. Today we're going to be making chocolate bowls. I'm so excited to make this video with you guys. Let's go. Before we get into the video, if you guys don't know me already, I'm Stella and today we have a special guest. Her name is Addie.
Hi.
This is my best friend, and one thing to know about Addie is she doesn't like chocolate. So she's going to be using white chocolate instead because that's what she likes, and vanilla ice cream. I'm going to be using Nutella and our ice cream from a previous video. Go check that out. The ingredients that you'll be needing today is a balloon, or 2 balloons, a bowl, a spatula, white chocolate, if you like white chocolate, and Nutella. And also a freezer. We can't forget the freezer.
Yeah.
We went ahead and we melted the white chocolate and the Nutella so it would stick better. And we wanted to add sprinkles, so we're going to use sprinkles. We melted our chocolates with adult supervision. So remember, kids, always have adult supervision. I forgot to mention in the starting of this video, don't forget to like and subscribe down below.
No, she's not.
Okay, kind of look like it. Maybe make your dot a little bit bigger. This step is going to be kind of fast because our chocolates are going to harden since they were microwaved. So we have to go pretty fast on this. We're going to take our balloon and we're going to dip it into the chocolate. And then we're going to dip it in our sprinkles. Just going to kind of roll it around. And then we're going to set it on our little dots of chocolate that we put on our parchment paper on a tray. Next, we're going to put these in our freezer. I think we're going to put these in our deep freezer because there's more room. We just got these out of the freezer. We froze them for about 3 hours. The Nutella's still not quite frozen, but I think it's good enough.
Yeah.
And so we found a toothpick. This is, or a stick, and we're gonna pop the balloons with them.
Balloons. Only the balloons.
Yeah, only the balloons. And then we have our ice creams here. This was my homemade ice cream. The video was just posted.
And I got some vanilla ice cream.
And we're so excited to pop them so we can eat these.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh no!
Mine just stuck together.
Whoa! That's cool.
Mine don't.
Oh no!
Mine just stuck.
Oh no! So both of my bowls turned out, but one of Addie's kind of broke.
And here are some pieces that fell off of it.
Yeah, we wanted to show you guys. So maybe try not melting it as much as we did. I think Nutella works better than white chocolate did, but you never know. Now we're gonna scoop our ice cream and show you the final results.
Please. I don't need that in there.
I'm trying to do it like...
Just like little bits. How is it clean?
Because I used a scooper.
Oh.
We're so excited to try this, and we really hope that if you guys make this, it will turn out amazing like ours.
Okay, let's try it. I kind of got
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!